Built cars made famous by motor racing legend Peter Brock have attracted the attention of astute investors. Hundreds of enthusiasts attended a Gold Coast auction today. This 1972 Tirana in original condition attracted some keen bidding.
It's an investment, I think. Obviously there's a lot of overseas interest at the moment, and I don't think it's the enthusiasts that are purchasing these vehicles, it's people that are putting them away as an investment.
Several cars sold for much more than their original price, including this Brock Group A Commodore for $121,000.